Many people like to eat beef, but I feel like the beef I made is old and hard. There's always no restaurant beef so tender. Let me share with you today the detailed method of cold beef and how to marinate the beef. There are also specific materials. First, we cut the beef into large chunks along the grain. Then the beef is back shredded and thinly sliced. The beef you want to make is delicious. Knife skills are also important, especially beef and the leg. Be sure to cut against the grain. Cut the fiber of the beef. It will taste more tender. If you want to cut thinner, you can put the purchased refrigerator into the beef. Refrigerate for an hour. This can not only drain the acidity in the beef, it can also make it more convenient to cut beef. And finally, cut all the beef into slices like this in the video. That's it. We will cut the beef, put it in a larger bowl. Then pour a little more water into it. First, simply wash the beef with water. Soak for a few more minutes. This can effectively remove the inside of the beef blood. After washing, control the water, remove it and put it in a large bowl. And then we marinate it very briefly. Add a little salt. Add a little cooking wine to remove the fish's smell. A spoonful of light soy sauce. Prepare a little more shredded ginger. Cut some scallions. Sprinkle some pepper. Then you grab it and mix it well. Scratch him more. Grab him the scallion and ginger juice inside. After grabbing, we beat half an egg white into the bowl. Then go ahead and grab it and mix it evenly. Not too much egg white. Add egg white can make beef taste smoother. After grabbing add a small spoonful of cornstarch to it. Continue to fully grasp and add. Starch can effectively lock the moisture in the beef. It doesn't taste dry or firewood like this. Add a little sesame oil at the end. Keep grabbing. Adding cooking oil can lock in the moisture of the beef. It can also make beef taste smoother. Strengths. After grabbing all well, put it aside and marinate for 10 分钟. Use for later use. Next, prepare a few cloves of garlic. Give it a pat with a knife. Then chop the garlic into minced garlic. A cut of garlic can release its aroma even more. Cut it all and put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare a small piece of ginger. Smash it too. Also cut into minced ginger. After cutting, put it in a small bowl. Next, prepare semi-elay peppers. Cut it in circles. After cutting, put it together with ginger and garlic. Then prepare 2 green peppers. Cut it in circles too. Green peppers are not mainly spicy. To match the colors. After cutting, put it in a small bowl. Then add 2 spoonfuls of sesame seeds to it. A small spoonful of chili noodles. Then splash hot oil on it to create a fragrance. Then we add 2 spoonfuls of light soy sauce to it. Add 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. a spoonful of oyster sauce. Then stir well with chopsticks. Let the seasoning melt. Such a very simple universal cold sauce. It's done. After mixing well, put it aside for later use. Beef with cilantro. Let's prepare some more cilantro. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. The beef at this time has also been marinated. We used chopsticks to pick out the onion and ginger inside for it. After everything is ready, let's start cooking. Pour a little more water into the pot. Then turn on a fire to bring the water to a boil. After the water boils, pour the marinated beef down. Flip it with chopsticks. Let it heat evenly. Don't blanch the beef for too long. As long as it changes color, it's fine. Then quickly fish it out and put it to a large bowl prepared in advance. Then pour in the sauce we just made. The cut cilantro is also added. Then put on the gloves, give it a good grasp and mix well. You can give him a little more scratching here. Mix the beef until it tastes good. A very simple one. The delicious cold beef is ready. You can refrigerate it in summer. It tastes better when served at the back. And then we're going to load it onto the disc. You can serve it beautifully and enjoy it. Don't always fry and eat spicy food when you buy beef at home. Eat it cold this way in summer. Hot and sour appetizer. It's good to drink and eat. Have you learned how to marinate beef like this? Master this method, whether it's cold beef or fried beef. Tastes tender and juicy. Take a bite and leave a mouthful of fragrance. If you feel good too, just collect it and try it. You won't be disappointed. Well, today's video is shared here. If you like my video, remember to like and follow the message and forward it. Click on my avatar to see more food videos. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.